Django aggregate count only true values. I'm using aggregate to get the count of a column of booleans. I want the number of true values. Django code. This returns the count of all rows. SQL query should be. Here is my actual code. Thanks to Peter developer's suggestion to use Django aggregate if. Here is the solution.
Update. Since Django 1.10 you can read about the conditional expression classes. Old answer. It seems what you want to do is some kind of conditional aggregation. Right now aggregation functions do not support lookups like filter or exclude, fieldname _LT, fieldname _GT. So you can try this. Django aggregate if. Description taken from the official page. Conditional aggregates for Django queries, just like the famous sum if and count if in Excel. You can also first annotate the desired value for each team. I mean count for each team the amount of true in the field you are interested. And then do all the aggregation you want to do.
Updated for Django 1.10. You can perform conditional aggregation now. More information at this URL. Another solution for count bool is just convert false to 0 and true to 1, and then just sum.
Pronto, setembro. Já sigam-se subscrevem.